back to my YouTube channel. I am Manya and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I am vlogging today. Oh my god, this feels so surreal because I wanted to do this from a really long time and finally it's happening. So why I decided to vlog today was because I am going to one of my favorite places in Bangalore. You will just see in a while, or maybe you have seen in thumbnail, I don't know. We'll see. So it's kind of like a chill afternoon. I'm just gonna go there with my sister. So she's come here to Bangalore and I was just saying ki, where should I take her? Right? So then I was like, why not go to my favorite place? So we're gonna go there. So it's just an afternoon thing, afternoon to evening maybe. We'll see, we'll figure that out. So I showered now, I wore my lenses. Now I have to just wear my outfit. So I thought maybe I'll just film a get ready with me video. I'll just film that and I'll get back. Oh my god, I look so different. I did not wear my shoes yet. I'll do it after I step out of the house. I love how everything just turned out. Okay, so I'm not wearing my lipstick yet because I don't know, I just prefer going to the place and then wearing my lipsticks. Now what I'm figuring out is how to travel. So when I travel on my own, I take an auto from here to the metro station and then the metro to the venue, not to the venue till Kapan Park, and then walk to the place. But I have my sister with me. We can of course take the metro, but the charges are, anyways, it's expensive now. Bangaloreans, you know it. But so I was checking which is cheaper. Is it auto or the metro? Let me just figure out. Because if it's costing same amount, then might as well go in auto, right? So it's showing that it's a 43-minute ride and it's showing 160 rupees. And that's convenient because it will cost me around 120 rupees, 150 rupees around if I go in these means that I mentioned. You know, auto, metro and then walking. Maybe I'll take an auto. Let's see. So I checked in Namayatri. I'm checking in Rapido now. Rapido is always cheap. I don't know. Oh, it's costing the same. So I'm going to take an auto because it's costing the same. So might as well go in auto. So, and also by the way, this is the fashion bag and this is the practical bag. Because it might rain anytime, I don't know, because it's pouring in Bangalore since 2 days now. So this has my umbrella, water bottle and some, oh, I have my power bank in this, correct. My battery might die anytime. So, oh wait, let me just show my OOTD. Wait a minute, let me just show me. Ooh, I like it. So this is how it looks in the mirror. Oops. I should be wearing some rings now. No, that's okay. Oh my god, I love how this looks. I got it like last year and I'm wearing it now. Can you imagine? I do this all the time. I buy things when they are on sale. I keep it. I feel like I'll be like, you know, the occasion will find me. And 1 year later, here we are. So, let's go. Anyways, I think I'll just catch you guys when I'll reach the venue because I will wear my scarf now since we are traveling in auto. Because bahut dust hoga and it's just more convenient. So let's just go.
gesture and beat can all go in and out and all.
My most favorite part of this museum is the staircase. Hi! So got done with map and my camera was not allowed, because of which I couldn't vlog anything there, but I took a lot of clips from my phone. But of course, I will not upload everything, because it's good if you experience it in person and not just see it in my videos, right? But I'll just insert few shots. Now the plan is to go to Church Street. We are walking to the place because it's near, right? And so I had seen on Instagram about this one photographer. So he does this vintage Polaroid thing, maybe, I don't know what it's called, but it's done in Paris. So I don't know when I'll go to Paris for that, but at least Church Street mein to kar lu main. But I don't know if he'll be there today or not. So let's see, that's the plan. We are in my favorite streets of Bangalore, which is Level Road. My god, so pretty. Everything is so pretty here. So aesthetic, okay, basically. But I took few videos, a lot of pictures, and I'll upload it on my Instagram. So follow me there if you want to see it. Yes, that's it. Bye. The flowers. I'm literally laughing right now. So let me give you a little backstory as to how I ended up with these flowers. So I was walking the streets of Church Street and there was this girl who reached out to me asking me to buy these flowers, and I refused because I wanted to buy sunflowers and she didn't have those. And she told me that she did not eat anything since morning and that she'll give me each bouquet for 50 rupees. And I felt so bad, so I decided to buy 2 bouquets, and I decided that I'll arrange all of these in my big vase. But just to realize that all these small flowers were attached to the big flowers with the help of a tape, and I was literally scammed. But yeah, that's okay. I did some jugaad and it ended up looking very pretty itself. But just be careful if this happens with you. Hi, so this is day 2 of my vlog, and yesterday was so good, and it was so tiring as well, because after a really long time I walked so much, and that too in heels. Like, it had 2-inch block heels, okay? So that kind of strained me, and after dinner and after the cookie I slept really well. So today it's an exciting day again, because I am going to watch a movie. It's a re-release. So Hum Tum is re-released now and I'm gonna watch it. So I'm just getting ready for that now. It's 109. It's 110. So the show is at 140. By 2 if we reach, it's enough, I feel, because अरे बहुत ad डालते हैं यार, and it's 10 minutes away from my house. So I'm just gonna get ready. And oh, also I did not show you the photo that I got, right? Wait a minute. It's so pretty. I love it. So it's a vintage newspaper photo booth that they had. One day in Paris for sure. But until then, इससे काम चला लेंगे. So this costed me 150 rupees, and they had a Polaroid also, like a normal basic Polaroid. That was for 180 rupees for obvious reasons. But Polaroid is so basic. So this is very pretty and it's so vintage. I love it. Maybe I will go and get it done once again sometime in future in a different outfit with a bit different background. Let's see. That's the hope. So okay, fine. Enough of the buck. I'm running kind of late only because I want to shoot a get ready with me again, because I don't want to miss the chance, so I'm just putting it inside. So for Hum Tum, I generally like to recreate the outfits, but I don't have anything similar, so let's see what I'll do. So Rani Mukherjee wears shawl, stole, ऐसे कुछ she wears a lot in the movie. So I'm planning to do some outfit around this. Bapre, I'm doing a lot of threads. 2 different days, so it's okay. So I just filmed the get ready with me and I'll be back. Who am I? So what am I doing? What am I wearing? Sorry. So I wore my basic turtleneck and my blue denims and my basic white bag, and I'll wear my footwear outside. So I will not carry my camera, so I'll just try vlogging with my phone. Okay, see you guys, bye.
फाइन तो तुम जाओ अपने रास्ते और मैं चला अपने रास्ते किस लिए जो तुम कहने की कोशिश कर रहे थे उसके लिए
After the movie, I randomly decided to go to Max, and their bag collection was pretty good, I would say, but also like they had many dupes of the branded bags. But I was eyeing on these two bags and I was so confused as to which one I should buy. But I feel I ended up making a right choice, which you will see later. I'm really like so scared to read this book because I've heard so much about this. Oops, focus. Let's see, maybe sometime in future, but not for today at all. Hi, so I am checking in after a few hours. So I came home and I cleaned my room because it was so messy. I messed it up while getting ready, and yeah, after that I had my dinner. Now I'm about to sleep. It's 11:29, 11:30. So today's day was again kind of hectic, I would say. I don't know why I felt that. But like, what did I do? I just went and watched a movie and randomly decided to go to Max because it was, I don't know. We just randomly went, and I was so confused between the two bags because one was okay, it was really pretty, which is the one that I bought, but the other one was, it's trendy these days because those pockets, the side pockets, the front two pockets, it's kind of trendy these days. So I was like, it's there here, and it was kind of like, okay, it was expensive, okay, but I was like, it's trendy and I can add like make few DIY back charms and have it on the bag. But I don't know, I was so confused. But I feel like I'm feeling like, thank God I did not buy it, because the other one that I bought is really cute. But speaking of which, I also want to buy a similar bag in future, the one that I didn't buy today, because my mom, when she was, I think like 10-12 years ago, she had a bag similar to that, a very tiny shoulder bag which had two front pockets and two pockets on the sides, like literally it's in trend these days, and my mom had those. And like we gave it to, like we donated to people after, when she got bored of using it. And I was just, when I saw that this trend came back now, I was just remembering that bag that my mom had. I still remember the color so clearly. It was brownish greenish color with silver chains. It was so pretty now that I think of it. But anyways, she decided to donate it and now it's back in trend. And then I went to Crossword randomly. No, not randomly, but I saw a reel where she was telling about Hanuman Chalisa being sold by Crossword. So it's a very tiny, like a pocket book, which had a Hanuman Chalisa, and it was written in English, Hindi, and it was also translated in both the languages, and it had a pictorial description of what that phrase means. So each page had the verses and along with the pictorial description. So I went to buy that, but it was sold out because even he said that, you know, recently like many people are coming and buying it. So I think it went viral or something. So it was sold out. So I went to buy that, but it was not there. So and then I saw the sunflower book, and yeah, of course I ended up buying it. But yeah, that's it for this vlog. This is like my first time vlogging, right? For the very first time I'm doing it, so I don't know how it turned out, and I hope to do it in the future, of course, because I don't know, I have consumed so much content in the past and still consuming so much that you know, I decided to do this. Yeah, that's it. So I think I'll watch some YouTube video or friends. No, I think I'll watch the YouTube video because I saw that Manasi Mao has posted a video today. So I'll probably watch that and I'll sleep. This is like my first time vlogging, right? So please be kind. I know that I did not do a great job at it at all, and I don't know when I will post this. So whenever I happen to post it, please let me know your feedbacks in the comment section, because I would love to know if there is any changes that I can do, and I'm sure there is something that I can do. And I don't know how long this vlog is, because I just like vlogged very little, right, from the day, from both the days. And yeah, that's it for my video. If you liked anything from this video, even little bit, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with someone and everyone, I don't know. And please make sure to follow me on my Instagram, because I'm more active there. Please make sure to follow me there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, please be happy and bye.